Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer landing page UI from Instapage to Webflow. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start with opening the Instapage landing page you want to transfer. Click on the Publish button to access the URL of your current landing page. Open a new browser tab and go to the Instapage editor. Right-click on the page and select Inspect to open the developer tools. Use the Elements tab to identify the HTML structure of your landing page. Copy the entire HTML code of your landing page from the developer tools. Open a code editor or text file and paste the copied HTML code. Now, open your Webflow project in a new browser tab. Create a new page or select an existing one where you want to transfer your design. In Webflow, click on the Add panel to start adding elements. Begin by dragging a section element onto your new Webflow page. Inside the section, add a container element to keep your design structured. Next, paste the HTML code into a code block placed in the container. Adjust the HTML elements as needed to match the layout from Instapage. Now switch back to Instapage to copy any custom CSS styles. In the Instapage editor, find the styles affecting your landing page components. Copy those styles and open your Webflow project settings. Go to the Custom Code section and paste your CSS styles in the appropriate box. Head back to your Webflow design to start implementing the styles manually. Select each element on your Webflow page and access the Style panel. Adjust the styles to correspond with the ones you copied from Instapage. Make sure to add appropriate classes for consistency throughout your design. Preview your Webflow page to ensure that all elements are displaying correctly. Test the responsiveness of your design across different device sizes in Webflow. If necessary, make adjustments to the layout or styles to enhance user experience. Once satisfied with the visual outcome, publish your changes in Webflow. Review the live site to confirm that the transfer was successful and everything works as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.